Religious Affairs Minister Fahrul Razi has issued a guideline for Muslims in Indonesia in observing Ramadan this year amid the COVID-19 outbreak. Here are the key takeaways from the guideline. The guideline calls on Muslims to maintain physical distancing to curb the spread of the coronavirus. Therefore, you are advised to perform all Ramadan rituals at home. This includes not holding breaking of the fast or pre-dawn meal gatherings with your friends or extended family who don't live in the same house. You should also perform Tarawih or Ramadan evening prayers and Tadarus or Quran recitals at home instead of at the mosque. You are urged not to perform itikaf or seclusion in a mosque in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. The Religious Affairs Ministry has also scrapped any events for the commemoration of Nuzulul Quran or the Revelation Day of the Quran. In Nuzulul Quran, Muslims usually come together to break the fast, to join in Quran recital sessions, to listen to sermons, or to distribute charity to the less fortunate. You are encouraged to pay your zakat or alms earlier to expedite the alms distribution process. Charities or related institutions should distribute zakat to the underprivileged from door to door and minimize physical contact. Congregational Idul Fitri prayers will be prohibited. The ministry has asked the Indonesian Ulama Council or MUI to issue a fatwa on this. Last year, 20 million people, mostly from Greater Jakarta, joined the Idul Fitri Exodus or Mudik. Experts suggested that Mudik could lead to further spread of the virus to other regions in the country with weaker healthcare systems than Jakarta. A recent survey by the Transportation Ministry shows that 68% of the respondents have decided not to participate in this year's Exodus. 24% still insist on leaving, and 7% have already left for their hometowns. This survey, among other things, led Presiden Joko Widodo to take a drastic measure.
Mudik, semuanya akan kita larang.
Although you can't visit your hometown this Idul Fitri, you still can keep in touch with your extended family through video conference or social media platforms. The same also applies to post-Ramadan gatherings, also known as halal bihalal. The WHO has also issued guidance on safe Ramadan practices. The guidance suggests that despite the virus pandemic, healthy people should be able to fast during this Ramadan as in previous years. Proper nutrition and hydration are vital during the month of Ramadan. You should eat a variety of fresh and unprocessed foods every day and drink plenty of water. You should keep practicing physical distancing by strictly maintaining a distance of at least 1 meter between people at all times. Use your own prayer rug, especially when you pray in public spaces. In mosques, keep the premises and wudu or ablution facilities clean and maintain general hygiene and sanitation. In settings where movement restrictions are in place, incidents of domestic violence, particularly against women, children, and marginalized people, are likely to increase. The WHO encourages religious leaders to actively speak out against violence and to provide support or encourage victims to seek help.